everybody, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making beautiful pendant necklaces with fused glass and my John Bead bead spinner. I am obsessed with this bead spinner, and I think you will be too. Are you ready? Let's make some pendant necklaces. The art of glass fusing began somewhere around 2000 BC. Between 1500 BC and 500 AD, Romans and Egyptians used kiln glass fusing as their primary glassworking method. After this, glassblowing became the primary glassworking method. Beginning in about 2400 BC, small glass beads were first manufactured in Asia, the Mediterranean, and Egypt. In Europe, small glass beads were created in Bavaria as early as the 1st century BC, and the Romans produced and traded glass beads throughout their empire between 100 BC and 400 AD. Ancient civilizations such as the Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans adorned themselves with pendants crafted from precious metals, gemstones, and symbolic amulets. These pendants served as talismans, representing deities, protection, and personal beliefs. I'm going to leave a link for everything I used in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Bling. Make sure to follow me on Patreon for projects you won't see anywhere else, and I will see you real soon. Bye.